Lesson: Privacy Implications of AI in Identity Management. The integration of artificial intelligence into identity management has revolutionized the way organizations handle identity and access management. AI-driven IAM systems offer enhanced security, efficiency, and user experience by automating the process of identity verification, access control, and monitoring. However, these advancements come with significant privacy implications that necessitate careful consideration and management. This lesson explores the privacy implications of AI in identity management, offering actionable insights, practical tools, frameworks, and step-by-step applications for addressing real-world challenges. AI technologies in IAM leverage machine learning algorithms to analyze vast amounts of data and identify patterns that would be impossible for humans to detect. This capability enables organizations to quickly and accurately verify identities, detect fraudulent activities, and predict potential security threats. For instance, AI can analyze user behavior patterns to detect anomalies, such as unusual login times or locations, which may indicate a security breach. However, these capabilities require the collection and processing of large volumes of personal data, raising significant privacy concerns. The primary privacy implication of AI in identity management is the potential for unauthorized access to sensitive personal data. AI systems require large datasets to function effectively, often necessitating access to personally identifiable information such as names, addresses, social security numbers, and biometric data. This data, if not properly secured, can be vulnerable to breaches and misuse by malicious actors. To mitigate this risk, organizations must implement robust data protection measures, such as encryption, access controls, and regular security audits to ensure that personal data is stored and processed securely. Another privacy concern associated with AI-driven IAM systems is the potential for bias and discrimination. AI algorithms are trained on historical data, which may contain biases that can be perpetuated and amplified by the AI system. For example, if an AI system is trained on data that reflects historical biases in hiring practices, it may unfairly disadvantage certain groups of individuals in identity verification or access control processes. To address this issue, organizations should use diverse and representative datasets for training AI systems and regularly audit these systems to identify and correct any biases. Transparency and accountability are also critical components of privacy in AI-driven IAM systems. Users must be informed about how their data is being collected, processed, and used by AI systems, and they should have the ability to access, correct, or delete their personal data. Organizations can enhance transparency by providing clear and concise privacy notices and implementing user-friendly interfaces that allow individuals to manage their privacy preferences. Additionally, organizations should establish accountability mechanisms, such as appointing a data protection officer or conducting regular privacy impact assessments to ensure compliance with relevant privacy regulations. Practical tools and frameworks can assist organizations in addressing the privacy implications of AI in identity management. One such tool is the Privacy by Design framework, which advocates for the integration of privacy considerations into the design and operation of IT systems from the outset. By adopting the PBD framework, organizations can proactively identify and mitigate privacy risks associated with AI-driven IAM systems rather than addressing them after the fact. Implementing PBD involves a series of steps, including conducting a thorough privacy impact assessment, designing privacy-enhancing technologies, and fostering a culture of privacy awareness and accountability within the organization. Another practical approach to managing privacy in AI-driven IAM systems is the use of federated learning, a machine learning technique that allows AI models to be trained on decentralized data sources. Federated learning enables organizations to build robust AI models without the need to centralize and share sensitive personal data, thereby reducing the risk of data breaches and enhancing privacy. By keeping data on local devices and only sharing model updates, federated learning helps maintain data privacy while still leveraging the benefits of AI. Case studies illustrate the effectiveness of these tools and strategies in addressing privacy challenges in AI-driven IAM systems. For example, a large financial institution implemented a privacy by design approach when developing its AI-driven fraud detection system. By conducting a privacy impact assessment early in the development process, the institution identified potential privacy risks and implemented measures such as data minimization, encryption, and access controls to mitigate these risks. As a result, the institution was able to enhance its fraud detection capabilities while maintaining compliance with privacy regulations and protecting customer data. Statistics further underscore the importance of addressing privacy implications in AI-driven IAM systems. According to a report by the Ponemon Institute, the average cost of a data breach in 2020 was $3.86 million, with compromised credentials being the most common attack vector. This highlights the critical need for organizations to implement robust privacy and security measures in their IAM systems to prevent unauthorized access to sensitive data. By leveraging AI technologies and implementing privacy-enhancing tools and frameworks, organizations can reduce the risk of data breaches and enhance the overall security of their IAM systems. In conclusion, while AI-driven IAM systems offer significant benefits in terms of security, efficiency, and user experience, they also present substantial privacy implications that must be carefully managed. By adopting practical tools and frameworks such as privacy by design and federated learning, organizations can proactively address these privacy challenges and ensure that their AI-driven IAM systems are both effective and privacy compliant. Through transparency, accountability, and continuous monitoring, organizations can build trust with their users and enhance their proficiency in managing the privacy implications of AI in identity management.